Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The practical number 2, file culture or the environment. As we all know, when we talk about culture or some particular environment, it means the earth, it means the condition of earth, it means the weather and the seasons and the land and the water of earth. When we talk about earth planet, we know it has two biggest classifications, and those are the land portions and the water portions. All the big land portions create continents and the water portions create seas and oceans. Here today in this particular presentation, we are going to teach our child or to guide him about continents. Continent, do you know the continent? Presentation. This can be an individual or a group discussion. We have a board map with puzzles on it. This board map is having two circles that create the formation of earth. All the continents are being tackled and put in that board in a puzzle form that have knobs on it. Those knobs helpful in definitely sensorial activity of visual and pencil gripping or holding exercise for the motor muscles skills. Along with this, the information of earth continent is being given. So, one by one, time by time, we will teach our student about the name of those particular continents with their size and formations, with their locations and surroundings. Here on this board, we have different colors continents that can be seen and shown to the child, and let him to grip it, to move it from the board. Let's see which continents are here. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Australia, Europe, Antarctica. Students, these colors are just for differentiation. You can find this globe or the puzzle board in different colors as well. You tell the child to take them out from their particular positions and then one by one put them back on the earth. And this is how they will count, they will do the puzzling of continents location. One by one, they will come to know about the name of continents and the formations of continents, which one is near to that one or which one is near to that one. So, the presentation is over. Thank you so much.